Hello, Moneymakers. Crime story videos are really blowing up on YouTube these days. Take a look at this channel. They have over 200,000 subscribers, and their videos are getting over 100,000 views on average. As per my experience, crime videos are usually getting good RPM as advertisers are bidding more and more on it. This channel could be making well over $20,000 per month. If we take a look at their videos, they are just making videos on real-life crime incidents. Don't you think? This is an awesome business, as the cost to create such videos will be less, and you will be making a good amount every month. Since the audience who watch your content will be interested in crime stories, you can promote crime audiobooks on Audible and make extra $1,000 or $2,000 from affiliate marketing as well. The more audience you will get, the more revenue will come up as an Amazon affiliate. AI Maskman is on a mission to share good niche and money-making ideas on this platform, as I believe this is an amazing opportunity which you need to grab to make good money. In this video, I will share how to find such topics, create engaging scripts, generate visuals, or how to find images, and then create a voiceover as well. In the end, we will put together everything on CapCut and upload it on YouTube. Grab a glass of chilled beer with some appetizers and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Step 1, finding topics. At first, we need to do some research about crime cases, and we are going to write script on that topic. To find the true crime stories, open Google and search for the true crime stories. From here, you will get so many topics in which you can create videos. Find the crime case which is interesting. Alternatively, you will also find many true incidents in Reddit groups as well. So all you need to do is pick any incident from Reddit and then do a little bit of research on that topic and create a video. Or you can also get some true crime cases from Google News as well. So from one of the article I have found this crime mystery case, The Bloody Bender. And for reference, let's create a video on this topic. Moreover, creating real-life incident videos will bring more viewers as people have heard it in the news or might know about that case. I am sure when they watch your video, they will relate to it. After doing a little bit of research, I found that there are so many videos available on YouTube related to this topic. And it is also covered by many other news articles as well as Wikipedia. So this way, you will find topics and collect data from multiple sources. And remember, if you are starting a channel on true crime cases, don't provide false information to your audience because it will not bring trust towards your audience. So collect true information from the right source or mention the source details in the description of your video. After finding the topics, we need to create a script. And before starting your channel, try to find 3 to 4 topics and create videos on it. Then create your channel on YouTube, as you will be consistent on YouTube once the channel is created. Also, if the first videos does not perform well, you will not lose your confidence as you have 3 more upload. Most probably you will not get many views on your first upload. And that's normal because since you have published the one video, YouTube does not have enough data to know who to recommend your content. So, consistency is the main key to success on YouTube. Alright, let's jump to the next step. Step 2, creating a script. If you are good at writing your own script, that's good. Otherwise, you can take help of AI, such as Google Gemini or ChatGPT. As of now, I will take help from Google Gemini. So let's open Gemini and ask, I would like to create a video for my YouTube channel on the Bloody Benders topic. Here, I will provide you the link to Wikipedia, which you can use as a reference. I want you to provide a complete script along with scene-by-scene segregation in a third-person perspective. Also, I would be generating AI images for each scene, so I want you to also provide me a detailed image prompt for each scene. Make sure to write the script in simple English, which anyone can understand. So as a result, Gemini not only provides a script, but also provides an image generation prompt for each scene. If you are not satisfied with the script, you can ask to make changes in the script as per your requirement. For an example, you can ask to expand the script or to add more details into your script. However, if there is no Wikipedia link available on that case, you can just paste all the information of that crime case. And on the basis of this, Gemini provides you the video script.
If you need more prompts to write your script using AI, just like this video and comment down below, and I will reply you with amazing prompts for script writing for free.
Alright, so this way you can create a script for your video. Now let's move to the next step. Step 3, generating voiceover. If you have good voice, you can record your own voice and add it into the video. Or else you can take help of any AI voice generator tool. If you want ultra-realistic human-like voiceover, I will suggest you to use 11 Labs AI. Open 11 Labs, click on Voice. Open Voice Library and explore different types of voice. Choose narrative and story, then click filter and choose age, male, female, accent, language, etc. I will choose calm male voice for my video. I will go for this. Let's add this in Voice Lab. Now paste the script and hit generate. If want to go for free option, you can use Clipchamp to generate a voiceover. Open browser and search for the Clipchamp. Open the first link and select create a new video from the dashboard. After that, click on record screen option and select text to speech option. Select language, voice, and paste the script. There are plenty of voices available, so choose one of them and click on save, and it's ready.
Back in the 1870s.
Now let's download this. But we cannot download this in MP3 format. So we have to download in a video format, and then we will convert it to audio format. All right, now open Cloud Converter, upload the video. Choose MP3 from the available option, and download the audio. All right, now we have our script and voiceover. The next thing we need to do is collecting background images and footages. Step 4, generating images. To generate images, I will use Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo AI, click on Image Generation. Copy the image prompt from Google Gemini and paste it here. And as a result, Leonardo generate this type of images for you. Now you can also convert this video by clicking the Generate Motion Video option. The result was amazing, but it will use 25 credits per video. So I found another way to animate the images. Open Pika Labs in Discord. Here you will generate a video with prompt or with images for free. All you have to do is just choose any of the generated rooms, then enter slash and choose animate option. Now here you have to upload the image which you want to animate. After a few seconds, your will be ready. Pika Labs generate 3-sec video, so try to generate more because more images and video leads to more engagement. Alternatively, also collect the images from Google or any other article as well.
These and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
All right, now let's move to the final step. Step 5, editing. To edit and merge all the things, I will use Canva. Because in Canva, we will find amazing fonts, animation, images, and stock footage, which makes our video more unique. Open Canva and choose the video icon from the dashboard. Then click on Upload and upload all the images, video, and audio, which we generated with 11 labs. After that, drag the voiceover track into the timeline. Then set the video duration according to voiceover. Start your video with intro template. So for this, go to the design and search for the murder mystery. And as a result, Canva provides so many video templates to use. Choose one of them and add it. Alternatively, you will find many stock footages related to your keywords in the element section, so you can choose from there also. I will choose this video for my intro. Now let's add the story title. Let's go back to the Gemini copy of the title and paste here. Change fonts, color, size, which suits your video. Here you will find plenty of fonts which are free to use, so use them to edit an amazing video for your channel. Also add animation into the text. So here I will choose the typewriter effect because it suits my video perfectly. Try different animations and choose which looks best. After that, type horror and go to the audio section. There you will find amazing sound effect and background music which you can add. But the problem is, most of the audio are only for the pro users. So if you're using the free version, you can take music from the other sites, such as Pixabay. In Pixabay, you will get the royalty-free music which you can use. So I downloaded the music from here and uploaded it in Canva. All right, now, set all the images and video which you generated with Leonardo into the timeline. Make sure the images will be synced with VoiceOver. Now I'm going to show you another trick which you can use while editing your video. Select the image or video and click on Edit option. Then go to the filters and choose one of the filters from the mono option. This filter will suit on this niche, as this is an old story, and this effect will give me a good feeling of 1880s. So this way, you can edit the images and videos. Now one by one, add images and video. You will get many related images and videos in the element, so also use them according to your choice. Also add zoom animation or breath animation to each image. You can also add a character photo like this if it is available on Google. Alright, our video is ready. Let's download this. If you are using Canva Audio Library Music, you have to connect your social account with Canva, so you do not get any copyright claim in the future. Alright, now, let's give final touch to our video. For this, I will use CapCut. Open CapCut, import your video, and add it into the timeline. Then select the split screen from the available option. It will automatically split all the scene in your video. Then go the effect and add different types of effects which suit your video. You will find a variety of effects, filters, and transitions. Add as per your choice. Alright, now to add subtitles, click on text and choose auto caption. Select the language and hit create. Choose the text from the available templates. And that's it. Your video is ready to be uploaded. Click on export and then select 4K and download it on your computer.
Since you have watched our video till the end, and if you want to support us, you can click on join button to become our member and avail exclusive member benefits.
Now let's have a look to our demo video.
Back in the 1870s in Kansas, a regular family ran a rest stop for travelers, but something awful was hidden behind their smiles. This is the story of the Bloody Benders, Kansas in the 1870s, a place for new beginnings where people came looking for a fresh start. Travelers needed a place to sleep, and that's where the Benders came in. John Bender, his wife Elvira, their daughter Kate, and son John Jr. ran a small inn. They seemed like any other family, but whispers started. Kate, the pretty and friendly daughter, was known for being nice. Travelers, especially men, liked seeing her smile. The Benders tricked people into staying. John might offer a drink, and Kate's smile would make them forget to worry.